Hey guys, so what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I have something a little bit different today. It is kind of crypto mining related, but more so on protecting yourselves in terms of your seed keys, your mnemonic phrases, what have you, usernames, passwords, your 2FA. And so this video is partnered with Shieldfolio. I reached out to them a couple weeks ago asking for some of their stone books, and I want to do a review on these as well. They also sent me their ghost pens, and I will actually do an example with the ghost pen in the stone book later on. But yeah, this is really cool. I'm really excited to open this, and I want to get rid of my old way of keeping track of my seed keys and passwords and whatnot. As you guys can see, I just have a simple notebook here and some pieces of paper. So yeah, I'm hoping to replace all these things here with one of these amazing stone books, which apparently will last a lifetime because it is literally made out of stone. Well, apparently 80% limestone and about 20% plastic. Okay, so yeah, I just want to say thank you to Freddie, the owner of Shieldfolio, who sent me these stone books, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway on one of these stone books, as well as a ghost pen to go along with it. Okay, so Gleam link is down below in the description, and the giveaway is going to last about 7 days as of releasing this video, so get in quick. The winner will receive these two things, the ghost pen and the stone book. So thanks so much, Freddie. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get this unpackaged. So it looks like we got like a Ziploc package, and you guys can see we can easily take it out like so. Looks like we got some other stuff here. Is there anything else left inside? No, that looks good. Okay. Alright, so it looks like we got a nice little sticker here. Shieldfolio sticker. Pretty cool. I'm actually going to be using these for my crypto mining studio. Here's another cool little sticker. I believe this is the owner, Freddie. Maybe something to do with the COVID-19. Okay, looks like it came with a pen. Yeah, this looks like a regular ballpoint pen. Okay, that's cool. Okay, and here is the actual stone book. Alright. Look at that. Has some nice weight to it. Pretty good. Oh yeah, this paper feels definitely much different than, you know, regular paper. This is definitely feels a lot softer. Yeah, look at that. Private key, recovery phrase. So later on, we'll put in some wallets such as like a phone app, which I'll show you guys some scenarios later on. Okay, pretty cool. Recovery phrase. Oh, what's this? Shield crypt. Oh, wallet. Right on. Okay, so you can do some like private key stuff here and password decryption key. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, yeah, so pretty cool. What do you guys think about this? Let me know down in the comments below. I can't wait to put some stuff in here. I can't wait to try out the ghost pen. Yeah, look at this login information, source, username, password. Yeah, this paper definitely feels much different from regular paper. And looks like we have some regular areas just for notes and stuff. So right on. Yeah, guys, so this is what the stone book looks like. Good stuff. Okay, and also, I guess with the stone book packaging, it came with a little how to use the shield crypt here. You can visit the website, shieldfolio.com. And as well, on the back here, it says, "Hi, I'm the stone book. Don't worry, your crypto is safe with me. My creator built me to make sure I last a lifetime, which is why he made me from stone. He said that crypto will be used by everyone someday and that I will help protect it from getting lost or even hacked. Here are some cool things about me you want to know. I can store any private key, recovery phrase, or password. I'm 100% offline and can also encrypt private keys. I'm water resistant and can fit easily in secret places. Keep me out of the prolonged sunlight as I can turn brittle and cracked if exposed to the sun for 3 to 4 months. I also recommend you place me in a safe and protect me from fire." That's good to know. Oh, and remember, I work best with the ballpoint pen, but don't worry, my creator supplied you with one of those to get started, which we did get, okay? So awesome stuff. Thank you so much, Freddie. Shieldfolio, right on. So some things we learned there. This is not fireproof, but it is waterproof apparently, which we'll do a test later. And yeah, you know, since this is not fireproof, I would maybe recommend some people to get like a fireproof bag. I just got this off Amazon, and it's just something you can easily put in your notebook or a Shieldfolio into, okay? So I've had this for a long time, just in case. It's just another, you know, peace of mind type of thing to have your crypto seed keys safe. All right, so I'm just going to do a quick little tear test here. It says it's tear resistant, so I'm going to do it on the last page just in case I'm able to tear it. All right, so here we go. Oh yeah, that's that's definitely tear resistant. I can't. It looks like it did break a little bit, but I was pulling pretty hard. Not break, I mean, but it did stretch. You guys can see that there. It stretched just a little bit, but I'm not too worried. I'm not going to be doing that to all my pages. But hey, that was a good test. Actually, I think I just did 2 pages, so let me try 1 here. Yeah, it looks like I can stretch it out a bit more. But yeah, the tear resistance will help you. Peace of mind, basically. You won't be ripping up all your pages. So that was a good test. Okay, now I want to try a quick little water test. Okay, I got my cup of water. Here we go. So I'm just going to do it on, yeah, I'm going to do it the last pages here. Let me just get my tissues ready here. I don't want to get my desk soaking wet. All right, guys, here we go. Water test. Okay. All right. The water's all over. You guys can see that. Okay. I'm just gonna soak it up a little bit here. Yeah, it definitely feels water resistant, that's for sure. Yeah, it looks okay. Doesn't seem to be damp or anything. Definitely water resistant. Maybe we'll do another water test later once I have some words in here. Okay guys, so that was a couple of fun different tests there. The water resistance and the tear resistance. Looks like it worked out pretty good. So I'm not going to do a fire test according to Shieldfolio. The stone book is not fireproof. So yeah, I'm not going to put it on fire. Okay guys, now the next thing we're going to do is now talk about the, different scenarios, how you would use the shield book. Pretty similar to how I was using my notebook and probably how most of you guys also use your notebooks or pieces of paper. I'm going to be using the stone book to put my seed keys in for all the different wallets I have. And you guys know, such as myself, a crypto miner, I deal with a lot of different coins. I mine a lot of different coins. With that can come a bunch of different wallets. And what I mean by that is, the wallets for the respective coins. So for example, I'm on my phone here and say we use Trust Wallet and we create a new wallet. This is just typical of if you are gonna, install a new app for a certain coin, or if you're gonna put it on your computer or laptop or something, you'll get a seed key, mnemonic phrase of some sort, and you need to write it down. So for example, Trust Wallet is showing that we have to back up our wallet, right? And we hit I understand, hit continue, and then we're gonna get a recovery phrase, okay? So you guys can see robust, rail, dentist, rude, bread, wagon, love, pretty, race, web, stove, and then, okay? So we basically have to write these down, and normally I would write it down in my notebook, but now we have a Shieldfolio Stonebook, and so we're gonna go ahead and put it in here. So give me 1 second. Stove, and then, man, my writing is terrible. Okay, guys, I got the seed recovery phrase here. So I basically handwritten it into the stone book here. Pretty easy. Now you can add in a bunch of notes here as well. Probably the wallet up here, you can put the name of the wallet. So I can just go Trust Wallet. Maybe in the notes I can put in, what type of phone that I'm using the Trust Wallet on. Okay, so guys, that's what it looks like with a recovery phrase. Now I do want to do another test with the ghost pen. Okay, so here is the ghost pen, and this one will have a black light on it, okay? So basically what the ghost pen can do, pretty much says it in the name, is that it can pretty much ghost your writing. Okay, so I'm going to go to another new page here, and we're just going to write in a couple of words here. So let's do this, and then let's do this word, and let's do this word. Ghost. Alright, so I put in 3 words there. Now I'm going to put the lid back on, and then we're going to see if we can turn on the light here. Now I'm not sure if you guys can see that through the video, but I have test, I got red, and I have ghost there, okay? So this is literally what the ghost pen is supposed to do. Basically hides your keywords potentially. So yeah, that is really cool. That's really awesome. So actually, after you write in your ghost pen words, you can go ahead now and take your ballpoint pen and write other words on top of them, okay? Basically to hide them. And then let's try it again with the ghost pen. And yeah, you guys can still see the words under them, which is pretty legit. Look at that. Ghost, red, and test. Awesome stuff. You guys like that? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so that is the ghost pen. That's really cool. Yeah, still there. Awesome. Okay, and the ghost pen also came with this guy right here. It says, "I see you, but you can't see me. Hi, I'm the Ghost Pen, privacy tool for writing down secret information you don't want others to see. And only by using my built-in UV light, you can reveal your hidden text. Places I can write on are stonebook, paper, metal, plastic, and painted walls. My ink is permanent, but I'm also water resistant. Just don't leave my ink writing submerged underwater when writing in the stonebook." Then it says here, "Since I'm also new to the stone paper, my ink tends to flow to the next page a bit, so reminder to skip every other page when you write with me." Okay, so that's good to know. Awesome stuff. Alright guys, so that is the example with the ghost pen and doing example wallet like on a phone. I don't want to make this video too long. I was going to do a Ledger Nano S example, but very similar. If you were to do it on a mobile app with the seed key, you will simply get your seed keys from your Ledger Nano S on the screen here, and then simply you just have to write it into your stonebook. So that will go along with all the other wallets out there that I explained before, different scenarios of how you can put your mnemonic phrases, seed keys, what have you. And yeah, you can also put your usernames and passwords, 2FA kind of stuff in here, and you don't have to worry about water damage or tear resistance, all that kind of stuff. Also, this stonebook will not decay over time. It will last forever. And it's not like regular paper. This will decay over time, but this one will last a long time. They said lifetime. So this stonebook will not decay. So guys, that's it. That's my little review here of the stonebook, and I have to say, I love it. I'm in love. I highly recommend this stonebook. Link down below if any of you guys are interested in this stonebook. And thanks again to Shieldfolio. Thanks again, Freddie, for sending me the Shield books here. I'm gonna switch all that I have over to this little guy here and cherish it forever. So thanks so much, man. And for everyone who's watching, please remember the giveaway link down below to win a ghost pen and a stonebook, the world's most secure notebook for crypto. I 100% believe that. Awesome stuff. Okay guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, and let me know your thoughts down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.